For those that are new to my channel, welcome. Please make sure you subscribe, share, so we can all work together to live a balanced life in this quarantine world we're living in now. Hi everyone, welcome to Living a Balanced Life with Julio. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make your own disinfection spray that you can use to disinfect all surfaces in your home to keep your home fresh and clean and keep germs away from your family. If you're interested, please stay with me. So to make your own disinfection spray, all you need is vinegar, water, rubbing alcohol, and essential oil. So your favorite choice of essential oil, you can use lavender, you can use tea tree oil, whatever essential oil that you like, you can use. And you need vinegar, water, and of course the rubbing alcohol, you want it to be at least 60%, 60 to 70% of alcohol content in it to make it efficient. And then you need your essential oil. So with these ingredients, you put them together and you are able to create your own disinfection spray that can, help you disinfect different surfaces in the house, like countertops, doorknobs and things like that, to keep your home clean and disinfected. And these ingredients, they're not harmful to you, and it's very simple to make. So to make this a disinfection spray, you need 2 cups of water, half a cup of vinegar, 1/4 of a cup of alcohol, 60 to 70% alcohol, then your choice of essential oil. So it could be tea tree oil, lavender, any essential oil that you like. This is a good way that I keep my family germ free, and this is a good way for me to keep my home disinfected and to keep it safe for my family. This is not to replace proper prevention etiquette like hand washing. Of course, you should always wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water, and practice good sneezing and coughing etiquette to keep yourself and everybody safe. But this is my family way of staying safe and germ free. And so if you want to try this method, it's very simple. Put these ingredients together and then put it in a reusable spray bottle. This is a good way to keep my family safe. Use this at your own risk, but it's a good way to disinfect and to keep your home germ free. Try it and let me know how you like it. So the ingredients in here are all very safe and very environmentally friendly. It's not going to harm you in any way or shape. So try it and let me know how you like it. So making your own disinfection spray to keep it in your home that you can use at any time to clean all surfaces to keep it disinfected and germ free. So until next time, try this disinfection spray to clean your home, to disinfect doorknobs, countertops, toilets, anywhere that needs disinfection, and keep your family healthy throughout the year. Until next time, stay safe and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Exclusive.